Hi, good morning students. So today we are discussing about the topic similarity. So in that similarity, first we have to learn similar triangle, proving two similar triangle. Given two triangles are similar. So before that in 9th standard class we learned congruent triangle. What is meant by congruent triangle? So if you consider two triangles, triangles corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are also equal. Corresponding angles are also equal, corresponding sides are also equal. Means it should be same shape and same size. Well, in the part of congruence. So here, similar triangle. In 10th standard they are given the topic similar triangle. In this similar triangle, what is meant by similar means two figures having same shape and different size. It is slightly different to congruent. So congruent means same shape and same size. Similar means same shape and different size. Let us look at the similar triangle. So what is the definition of similar triangle? If you consider two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal or corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. Which are here I am considering the triangle ABC and DEF. Corresponding angles, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B double mark angle, here double mark angle, both are equal. Here corresponding angle triple mark angle and triple mark angle C equal to F. Three angles are equal. So here corresponding sides are proportional. Proportional means it will divide into equal ratio. Which are the corresponding sides? AB divided by DE, BC divided by EF and AC divided by DF. If two conditions are satisfied, then we can easily say that given two triangles are similar. So given on these two parameters, we can easily say that two triangles are similar. So look at here. Triangle ABC, this is called similar symbol. Similar symbol. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. So look at here. ABC. So order arrangement of vertices is very important. While you are writing answers in answer script, the order arrangement is very important. What order arrangement is here? Angle A equal to angle D. Look at here. Angle A in first place. In this one, angle D in first place. A equal to D. Angle B equal to E in the second place. Third place, C equal to F. So orderly arrangement of vertices is very important. So if you divide also sides, AB divided by DE, BC divided by EF, AC divided by DF. So orderly arrangement of vertices are very important. So now we know the meaning of similar triangle. So next, what is the relationship between corresponding angles and corresponding sides? So what are the relationship between corresponding angles and corresponding sides? In the first point, in similar triangle, the sides opposite to equal angles are said to be corresponding sides. So here, if I am considering ABC triangle, PQR triangle, which are the equal angles? Here, single mark angle A is equal to angle P, double mark angle B is equal to angle R, triple mark angle C is equal to angle Q. Which are the side opposite to angle A? BC. So this is corresponding side of equal angle. That's why here single mark angle opposite angle is QR. So that's why BC divided by QR is the corresponding side. Next, angle B opposite side is AC, angle R opposite side is PQ. That's why AC divided by PQ. C opposite side is AB and Q opposite side is PR. This is 2R triple mark angle. That's why AB divided by PR. So equal angle opposite is corresponding side. This is the first relationship. And second relationship, it is converse of the first one. So what is converse of first one means? So equal angle opposite side is corresponding side. Here corresponding side equal corresponding side opposite angle is corresponding angle. So here in similar triangle, the angles opposite EF. So AB is equal to EF. So AB divided by EF means which is the angle opposite to AB? Angle C. And here EF opposite angle is angle D. Similarly, you can write the proportional sides, equal proportional sides and equal angles. So here also writing triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD is very important. Look at angle A is equal to angle E. Next, angle B is equal to angle F in the second place, C in third place, C equal to D. So orderly arrangement of vertices should be in order. Now we know the meaning of similar triangle and relationship between corresponding angles and corresponding sides. So when they are given two triangles, we want to prove similarity on certain conditions, tests or postulates or axioms. So here there are certain conditions are there to prove similar triangles. In that one, first condition is SAS. We already know in 9th standard what is meant by SAS, side, angle, side. So if one angle of a triangle is equal to any angle of the other triangle, then the sides including the equal angles are in proportional. Means side angle side means side included angle with other side. Let us check in the figure. ABC I am taking considered a triangle DEF. Here corresponding angle A is equal to angle D. So these two angles are equal. Which are the included sides of these two angles in triangle ABC? Angle A included angle is AB and BC. In DEF, D included sides are DE and DF. This side corresponding side is equal to the corresponding side of DEF. This side is equal to this side. So now in triangle ABC and DEF, angle A equal to angle D. Angles are equal. So AB side divided by DE side proportionally, then must be equal to AC divided by DF. Side, angle, side. By SAS, these two triangles are said to be similar. Here also, while you are writing the vertices in proper order, here angle A equal to angle D, angle A equal to angle D, AB side equal to DE, AB divided by DE, proportionally divided or equal. So next postulate. So this is SAS postulate. So SAS means what? Side, angle, side. We have to prove two sides are proportionally equal and with included angle. So next property of test, angle test. So in angle test, so if two triangles have at least two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then the triangles are similar. Means any two pairs of corresponding sides are equal in the triangle, two given triangle. So look at the triangle ABC and DEF. Angle A equal to angle D, double mark angle B equal to angle E. So that's why two angles are proved. Based on these two angles by AA test, while you are writing in the answer script, it is very important. Means by which postulate you are using? By AA test, these two triangles are similar. So we can also call this one AAA angle or AA. If you prove two angles is enough. So next test, third test, triple S test, side. So it is very easy to prove the similarity of two triangles. So what is this means? If two triangles have their three pairs of corresponding sides are proportional, then the triangles are similar. Means three pairs of corresponding sides are proportional. Here AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR, AC divided by PR. According to the mark, I am writing the proportional sides are equal. If you prove three sides, corresponding sides are proportional, means then you can easily say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So still I will learn SAS test, AA test and triple S test. Based on these three tests, we can easily prove given two triangles are similar. Now next part, let's we calculate solve some problems on based on this test. Here the application problems on the certain conditions of test. So in the first problem, in the given figure, AB is equal to 8 centimeter and BP is equal to 22 centimeter. AQ is equal to 12 centimeter and QC is equal to 8 centimeter. So first what we have to show, in triangle APQ similar to triangle ACB. First we have to show triangle APQ is equal to triangle ACB. First we consider the two triangles. First part we have to prove in triangle APQ and triangle ACB. So in these two triangles, I separated the two triangles. APQ I am writing one triangle separating, and ACB I am writing separate triangle. Because if you separate the triangles, you can easily write the proportional sides. So here, which are the proportional sides? AB divided by AC. What is the length of AP? 8, and AC length is 20. So you can easily cancel. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Next side is AQ divided by AB. What is AQ? 12. This is 30. So you can easily cancel 6 2s are 6 5s are. Both the sides or corresponding sides are proportional. We proved already two sides. So here, look at the angle. Two angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. That is, angle AB is equal to angle A. So we can easily say which condition is satisfied here. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. So here you write by SAS postulate triangle APQ similar to triangle ACB. So look at here, this angle included. So included sides are AP divided by AC, AQ divided by AB are equal proportionally. Lengths of the ratio are equal. So that's why by SAS postulate or SAS test we can say easily APQ is similar to triangle ACB. So next, in next condition, PQ is equal to 14 centimeter, 5 BC. So that's why I am considering, already we proved APQ is similar to ACB. In that one, corresponding sides are proportional. That is BC divided by PQ, AB divided by AQ. So we want to find out BC side. Let us keep as it is. PQ is equal to how much they are given? PQ 14 centimeter they are given. Put in the place, and then AB. If you want AB, you have to add AB plus PB. 22 plus 8, 30. AQ value is 12. So next, you can cross multiply. BQ is equal to 30 into 14 divided by 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 6 1s are 6 5s are 5 7s are how much? 35 centimeter. So BC is equal to how much? 35 centimeter. So like that, by SAS postulate we can prove first similarity and then take corresponding sides are proportional and find the value of the length BC. And next problem, in the given figure, AB and DE are perpendicular. AB and DE are perpendicular to BC. Perpendicular means what? 90 degree. If AB is equal to 9 centimeter and DE is equal to 3 centimeter, AC is equal to full length they are given 14 centimeter, sorry 24. Calculate the length of AD. Calculate the length of AD. So I am separating the two triangles here. First we have to prove that ABC and DEC are similar. So in that one, ABC and DEC. So which are the right angles in triangle? ABC and triangle DEC. So here angle ABC is equal to angle DEC because 90 degree. Because 90 degree. And C is also common angle in both the triangles. ACD is equal to DCE, common angles. So here we proved two angles. So by AA test or AA postulate triangle ABC similar to triangle DEC. Next, you can consider the corresponding sides. AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DC. So first we want to find out DC because they are already given AC. In AC, if you subtract DC, you will get AD value. So for that one, so AB is how much there the one? 9 divided by DE is 3 is equal to AC is how much there given? AC 24. We want to find DC. So if you cross multiply, DC is equal to 24 into 3 divided by 9. So that is 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 eights are. How much DC is equal to? 8 centimeter. So how much this is DC? 8 centimeter now. Now what they are asking to calculate here? AD. So AD is equal to AC minus DC. AC is how much? 24 minus DC we already find out here 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter means 16 centimeter. What is the value of AD? 16 centimeter. So like this way, so if they are given any figure to prove any side of a triangle means first you have to show similarity. After showing similarity, then take corresponding sides are proportional, and after taking corresponding sides are proportional, which side they are asking to prove, that equality you can take and prove the certain problems on this condition.